Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonyms quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of the word accept? The correct option is B. Reject. Question 2. What is the antonym of the word agreeable? The correct option is A. Disagreeable. Question 3. What is the antonym of the word advance? The correct option is C. Retreat. Question 4. What is the antonym of the word attack? The correct option is D. Defend. Question 5. What is the antonym of the word broad? The correct option is C. Narrow. Question 6. What is the antonym of the word appear? The correct option is A. Disappear. Question 7. What is the antonym of the word common? The correct option is B. Rare. Question 8. What is the antonym of the word create? The correct option is D. Destroy. Question 9. What is the antonym of the word deep? The correct option is A. Shallow. Question 10. What is the antonym of the word divide? The correct option is B. Unite. Question 11. What is the antonym of the word expand? The correct option is D. Contract. Question 12. What is the antonym of the word failure? The correct option is C. Success. Question 13. What is the antonym of the word freedom? The correct option is A. Captivity. Question 14. What is the antonym of the word foreign? The correct option is A. Local. Question 15. What is the antonym of the word gain? The correct option is D. Lose. Question 16. What is the antonym of the word joy? The correct option is A. Sorrow. Question 17. What is the antonym of the word knowledge? The correct option is C. Ignorance. Question 18. What is the antonym of the word love? The correct option is A. Hate. Question 19. What is the antonym of the word majority? The correct option is B. Minority. Question 20. What is the antonym of the word miserable? The correct option is A. Angry. Question 21. What is the antonym of the word peace? The correct option is B. War. Question 22. What is the antonym of the word harsh? The correct option is C. Gentle. Question 23. What is the antonym of the word innocent? The correct option is D. Guilty. Question 24. What is the antonym of the word permanent? The correct option is A. Temporary. Question 25. What is the antonym of the word victory? The correct option is B. Defeat. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.